in the cool hush near the river where Ashan was honored. A Yoruba mother watched her son trace ripples with a reed. She feared the day his feet would follow the road to the great market. She went to Orinmilla, and the Babalawo cast palm nuts and smiled, saying a child grows through many hands. Elders showed him weaving. Fishermen taught him to read currents. Griots kept the family names. Farmers asked the soil for its news. Even Tortoise, clever and restless, told how wit without kinship leaves a traveler hungry. Seasons turned, and when the boy lifted his bundle, the drums spoke low. Neighbors tied cowries and soft words to his belt. The mother felt fear and pride sit together like two birds on one branch. In a quiet morning today, another parent folds a jacket into a backpack and hears the city hum like a distant drum. Lessons rise in the body, in patience, in how we greet and listen. A child steps out, yet the village walks within. This is how learning ripens, how love becomes a path.